Hey guys, many Tesla owners ask me whether it's convenient to steer with the Yoke steering wheel after switching to it. Can it be turned when encountering an emergency turn? I will use my 3 months of experience to tell you. I think no matter it's making a U-turn or reversing, the operation is very convenient. Many people also ask whether it's possible to maneuver quickly when encountering an emergency lane change. The normal gasoline-powered cars require 1.5 turns of the steering wheel to make a turn, while Tesla only needs 1 turn. Tesla's precise steering wheel ensures safety and convenience. Personally, I believe it is worth recommending. Let's take a look at how to replace the Yoke steering wheel. Prepare the tools. H1060 internal hexagon socket wrench. Phillips screwdriver. These are essential hardware tools commonly found in households. When you have the tools ready, remember to first turn off the power. Note that the early version of Model Y and Model 3 have holes on both sides. The Model Y of September 2021 has the holes at the bottom. However, the installation process is the same. Insert a Phillips screwdriver into the hole at the bottom of the steering wheel. Exert force diagonally towards the front of the car, but be sure not to use brute force. When encountering resistance, exert a bit more force, and the airbag will pop out. Remove the airbag and unplug the black connector. Then, start disassembling the components and take pictures of the wiring for reference during installation. One is the steering wheel heating interface, and the other is the steering wheel control interface. Then, we start disassembling the steering wheel. Now, I need someone else's help. At this point, we use our internal hexagon socket wrench. If it's your first time disassembling a steering wheel, it might be a bit challenging. After removing the large screw in the middle of the steering wheel, gently shake the steering wheel, and then pull it upwards to remove it. Finally, take out the Yoke steering wheel and begin the reinstallation process. This fixed wire is used to secure the airbag. Then, remove the function buttons from the original steering wheel. Be sure to be gentle when disassembling. After removing the frame, install the body module onto the new steering wheel. Connect the steering wheel's heating plug and firmly press and fasten all the snaps. Install the self-tapping screw.
Align the steering wheel and lightly tap a few times to ensure it is completely in place.
When installing the fixing screws, be sure to tighten them securely. Plug in the multifunctional rotor plug, the horn plug, and the airbag plug. Now that we have installed the plugs, let's test the buttons on the steering wheel. Let's experience it now. My first impression is that the visibility is broad and the steering feel is excellent. The steering is very responsive and agile when making turns. Okay, if there are any car enthusiasts who like to modify steering wheels, don't forget to subscribe to me. If you want to know more, you can click the website link in the description. You can find more product information here. Thank you for watching.